Most Forex traders don't fail because of bad strategies. They fail because they ignore risk management. In this video, I'll show you the single rule that keeps traders alive long enough to make money. If you want to trade with reliable brokers, you'll find my recommended brokers in the description below. Now here is the truth. You can be wrong many times and still make money. But one oversized loss can wipe out months of progress. That's why position sizing matters more than entry timing. The rule is simple. Never risk more than a small fixed percentage per trade. Professional traders survive because losses are small. They don't panic. They don't revenge trade. Another key mistake is using the wrong broker. Wide spreads, slippage, and slow execution turn small losses into big ones. If you scalp, use EAs, or trade short-term, execution quality is everything. If you are outside the US, IC Markets is one of the most reliable brokers available. Long-term traders benefit from tight spreads and fast execution. PU Prime is another solid option, especially for smaller accounts. US traders must use a different broker, and the US option is linked below. If you want to trade Forex long-term, build the foundation first. Risk management, broker quality, discipline. Everything else comes later.